Let the Coachella vlogs begin.
Wake up Nikki's vlog. We're getting Liddy on the bus.
We're here. Gabby, this is your first Coachella. You're doing it pretty nice.
Coachella with White
Hey guys, this clip is gonna just brief you on how chaotic it's been so far.
Everyone's having a mental breakdown right now.
This is my intro for this vlog, and I'm in a Starbucks because the Wi-Fi in the house is that bad. Living with YouTubers trying to all upload footage to send to their editors just isn't working. So we're in Starbucks, and I just feel like I need to add an intro to this video because there isn't really an intro, but this is my Coachella day one. Enjoy. Guys, this is White Fox.
I'm Tana.
Feels like we're going on an influencer field trip and I fucking love it. Oh my god, here's our car! Oh my god.
I'm not okay. Johnny, do a robot dance or take a penalty.
Okay.
Woo!
She can't say me because we're matching.
2 penalties.
Wake up Nikki's vlog. We're getting Liddy on the bus. If you're not drunk by the end of the trip, you're shotgunning 5 White Claws.
Yes, Andre. Wake up. Nikki has to follow 10 new accounts on Instagram, or you have to take a penalty.
I'll take a penalty. I'm not ruining my Instagram. I'm not gonna follow 10 random.
Take a shot.
I own the night and I don't need no L.
Now I'm alone in my car and I'm running through my thoughts.
So I need to get away because my stomach's in a knot. Should I leave or stay?
Hair tie on me right quick. Before I kiss up on it. Before I lick up on it. We're here. Should we do a house tour? I think we should do a house tour. Hi. Oh my god, we got a hot tub. Everybody getting their little content right now. This is Gabby's first Coachella.
God. Why do I feel like you've been every year?
It's because of me.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go see our room. Me and Gabby are sharing a room. That is part of the agreement we agreed to be in this house. You know what? I think it could be entertaining. But I'm saying that now, before everything happens. This is me and Gabby's room. Oh my god, this feels like when we were little again with the twin beds. To Nikki, to Haley.
I'm an influencer now, guys.
An influencer, guys. Gabby, how do you feel sharing a room with me again?
It feels like we never grew up.
Mukbang vibes. Shrimp. So good.
To Coachella with White Fox!
Wow.
Johnny's making it a club in here.
This is clearly the lit room. We're gonna get in our swimsuits and we're gonna night swim. Nikki and Gabby featuring assistants. Good morning, guys. Today is Coachella day one. I am the first one awake in the house, which is shocking. I'm actually up for a really good reason, a reason that a tourist would wake up this early, and that is that I'm getting my hair and makeup done for Coachella today. I did it, guys. I just ripped the band-aid off and I said, let's just do it. Like, I know that sounds so bougie because like I could easily do my own hair and makeup. I'm not bad at doing my own hair and makeup, but since I styled myself and I saved that cost there, and I already know what I'm wearing, I kind of wanted to just go all out with my makeup and hair. I'm excited. I have no idea what I'm doing with my hair and makeup today. I did spend a lot of time on Pinterest last night in bed, but I still don't know what I'm doing. Hi. Oh my god, hair is here. Say hi, Laura.
Hi, honey.
Hi to the vlog. The extensions, you guys remember me coloring these in the prep vlog?
Yep.
She brought these neon orange.
We're doing pink or orange. I'm gonna start prepping. I like the pink outfit better, but the orange hair would be a statement.
This is my first Coachella without blue hair. I had blue hair for 4 years. I think this is a good choice. Alright guys, this is what we have. I am definitely gonna accessorize, but so far we have the orange hair. We last minute put together this corset, this skirt. We got lace accents here, lace accents here. I do have to accessorize. I do have temporary tattoos that I wanna add. I'm just gonna add some like last minute things to the look. Good morning. I'm like the first one ready because like hairstylists and makeup artists have such tight schedules for Coachella. Like they literally slot people out, and I did confirm hair and makeup last minute. It was kind of like a last minute decision. The slots they had available were literally like 8 a.m. but I was like, you know what, we're gonna wake up for it. I just want to take that stress load off of me. Here's the makeup details. Of Coachella is you literally have to walk your brains out, so you really can't wear like nice shoes. You have to just wear something comfortable. We're not even close.
Really?
No, we're not even close. Yeah.
We just saw it.
I love the chaos. We got in. We're in, we're in, we're in. About to enter the field grounds, and I can't wait to see everybody's reaction.
Thank you, appreciate it. Thank you.
This is VIP. Welcome to VIP, Gabby. This is like Disney World. I know. This is like Epcot. I haven't been here in like years. This is crazy, guys. It's literally been like almost 3 years. I feel like a different person from the last time I was here. Like, what the fuck? This is weird. This is weird. There is an anti-anxiety tent at Coachella, which I've never seen before, and I'm really glad they have it. It literally says like breathe and stuff all along the walls, and people are laying with like warming blankets. They're taking care of us, guys.
This is what I've been eating all day. This is the relaxing tent.
Alright guys, so we are walking to the main stage because Harry Styles is gonna perform. What the fuck? I have never seen him live.
You don't like it?
No, I've seen so many people live, never seen Harry Styles. So excited! Guys, he's a bi woman's dream, deadass. Just does it. I don't even know how to.
He does it for everyone, I think.
Yeah.
He does it for everyone.
It's happening! Oh my god.
And we're walking up just as it started.
We're literally perfect timing. Walking back. Guys, my feet have never hurt more in my life. I literally had to take off my shoes. I'm walking barefoot on the street back to the house. Like, all right, guys, we are back. Oh God, the bed has never felt better. Honestly, we're gonna review it for a second. Something that I realized, this is good for you guys to know who watch these vlogs, who one day want to go to Coachella. This is something I actually forgot about. But when I used to go to Coachella, I used to go later in the day. Back when I started going to Coachella, I didn't know how to do Coachella, so I would get ready really early and go all day and be beat by the time the headliner's on. And the headliner's like the thing that you want to be there for. That's like the best moment of Coachella each day. And today Harry Styles performed, as you guys saw, and he's all I cared about. But we went so early. The festival's a completely different festival during the day. Like, it was actually kind of dead during the day, and at night it gets amazing. I think I forgot how to do Coachella because it's literally been 2 years. If I had gone in 2020 and 2021, I would like have it down. This would technically be my 6th Coachella if Coachella kept happening, which is weird to think about. So I think tomorrow I'm gonna take it easy. I'm gonna sleep in, get my hair and makeup done maybe later, use the pool, edit, post, vibe, enjoy the house, and then go maybe around like 6, 7 p.m. Why did we go so early?
I don't know, but all I know is my feet are bleeding.
Same. Walking back, I had to take off my shoes, and I walked back barefoot for 30 minutes on the street because walking on gravel felt better than walking in those platform boots. So yeah, we're not gonna go as early tomorrow, and I wanna just like sleep in and just like get rest. Every year's different. Like, you go with different people. You know, it's not always gonna be the same, and I feel like I fell into the trap of like wanting to bring people because of tradition, because I'm a nostalgic bitch, as you guys know. But you know, like sometimes like you want new memories and new experiences, and if you bring the same people over and over again, it's just gonna feel like you're trying to repeat the past, and it's not gonna be as good as the past. So why do you keep repeating? You know what I mean? This year obviously is different. Like, if you guys watch my old Coachella vlogs, like I would go with like Nate and my sister Alex, and I feel like this year I'm going with Gabby and all of our girlfriends, and it's a different vibe. And I don't know, I feel like I've just wanted to create new memories lately. I'm like tired of like trying to repeat the past. There were definitely points where I was like, oh, I miss this person, I miss this person. But then there were points where I was like, wow, I am having so much fun, and these are brand new memories and brand new friends, and you know, growing pains, you know. I'm really tired, I'm literally rambling, but I feel like this vlog was like very like, look what I'm doing, look what I'm doing, look what I'm doing, and I feel like I didn't have this moment, and I feel like in all my vlogs I always talk to you guys, and I feel like I literally didn't do that in this vlog. But I am trying a daily vlog at Coachella for you guys. I'm really tired. I don't know how people are at parties right now. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next Coachella vlog. Bye.